Okay, so what I've done with our presentation now is I've added in a number of different sections into our slide strip over here on the left that you can see that I can collapse down and we can see what slides are in there. We now see that we have a bunch of different sections there. And what I want to do is show you that if I flip over to slide sorter view, first of all, the collapse slides still take effect. So if I'm dealing with hundreds of slides at a time, being able to zero in on particular slides becomes very useful. In sections where there are a large number of slides, that would be this one, maybe I want to zoom in or zoom out, so I can use the zoom to get more slides in there at a time. If I want to move certain slides between sections, it's easy. I can select one, or I can shift select arrange. I can hold down the control key and add to that selection. I can move these now between different selections. And you can see, because I can see things visually, I can still get an idea of what the concepts of my presentation are and whether or not they fit in these sections that I'm working in. Now, that's one way you might want to work with things. Now, as we also looked at earlier, we took a look at the outline view. If I switch over to outline view, I can organize things as well. In outline view, I can also drag a slide and move it. Notice, however, sections do not show up in this view. And also notice I cannot shift select multiple slides and move them. If I try to do that, I only get the top slide. So those are important things to know. Now let's say hypothetically that in this presentation maybe we didn't want to show the org structure to some subsection of the people that we're giving the presentation to. If I go to slideshow and I hit the custom slideshow button, I can create a custom slideshow and I can select some slides, but not necessarily all of them, to add to my presentation. So I could say maybe the first 5 slides are all I want. And this is for employees getting an update to benefits. And I hit OK. Now, if I select this custom show, I can select a custom slideshow, and I can show or display that slideshow as opposed to the entire deck at a time. So you can see with these tools, you can organize and manage multiple views of the same presentation and tailor it to your audiences.